Hey guys, good morning. Nitzan here from MSDI Implant. Today I want to answer questions I received yesterday from one of our customers. He asked me, how am I using the implant drivers with your implants? So it's very simple. I have here with me two Conix implants, 5.0 and 4.3 millimeters. I'm going to take it out like this. Here I have a cover screw, and I'm going to take the motor mount and apply a little bit of force and turn it clockwise, like that, okay? Then I'm going to take the ratchet driver with the 4.3 millimeter implant with a similar fashion until I hear a click, like that. Very simple, very easy. One thing I want you to notice is that we have 3 different implants and 4 different platforms. We have the Alef implant, single platform across all diameters. We have the Til implant, which is also single platform across all diameters, and the Conix implant, which has 2 platforms across all diameters, okay? Pay attention to what platform you are using and which driver you are using with the implants. Take care, guys. Have a good day.